Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting LEGO sets to date, the LEGO Creator Fish Tank 31122. This is, without a doubt, the best LEGO fishbowl you can add to your collection. If you're a fan of building sets and aquariums, this 3-in-1 building set offers an incredible experience that brings the underwater world right into your living room. This LEGO set is designed for ages 8 and up, making it perfect for both kids and adults who love to create and build. With 350 pieces, it's not only a fun and engaging project, but it also results in a beautiful, detailed fish tank model. You can transform it into different configurations, thanks to its 3-in-1 feature, which gives you the option to build a fish tank, a coral reef, or even a cute little turtle setup. The level of detail is exceptional, with colorful fish, plants, and aquatic life that make it feel just like a real aquarium. What sets this set apart from others is its versatility and interactive design. You can easily swap out parts to customize the fish tank or create your own aquatic scenes. The vibrant colors and realistic elements make it a standout model, whether you display it on your desk or as a centerpiece in your home. When you're finished with the build, you'll be left with a stunning, intricate fish tank that adds a pop of color and life to any space. Whether you're a LEGO enthusiast, a fan of aquatic creatures, or simply looking for a creative challenge, the LEGO Creator Fish Tank set will certainly impress. So, why is this the best LEGO fishbowl? Not only does it offer hours of enjoyable building, but it also allows you to create a miniature world of fish and aquatic life. It's a relaxing and satisfying project, giving you the opportunity to escape into a creative space and showcase a one-of-a-kind aquarium that will captivate anyone who sees it. If you're ready to build the most unique LEGO aquarium, the LEGO Creator Fish Tank 31122 is the set to get. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and make sure to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.